Here are 10 lessons from the Art of War by Sun Tzu. Lesson number 1. Know yourself and know your enemy. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and motivations, as well as those of your opponents. Lesson number 2. Choose the right battlefield. Select the right environment and conditions to gain a strategic advantage. Lesson number 3. Deception is key. Use deception and misdirection to gain an upper hand over your opponents. Lesson number 4. Adapt to changing circumstances. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as situations evolve. Lesson number 5. Use alliances and diplomacy. Form strategic alliances and use diplomacy to achieve goals without conflict. Lesson number 6. Avoid strength, attack weakness. Target your opponent's vulnerabilities rather than attacking their strong points. Lesson number 7. Use speed and surprise. Employ quick and unexpected actions to gain an advantage. Lesson number 8. Use spies and intelligence. Gather information from various sources to stay informed and make informed decisions. Lesson number 9. Maintain unity of command. Ensure clear leadership and communication to avoid confusion and division. Lesson number 10. Avoid overextension. Conserve resources and avoid overcommitting to maintain long-term strength.